Alright, imagine this. No alarm, your coffee somehow tastes better, and the only thing you have to do is, well, nothing at all. Welcome to Evergreen, a cabin that brings you peace, comfort, and a space for everything that matters. Now, come on in. Let me show you the house. First thing you see, a wardrobe. Spacious, with room for everything, jackets, shoes, hats, bags, randomly tossed items. And that one scarf no one wants but always comes in handy. Everything has its place here and somehow you still manage to lose something. To the left, the bathroom. It's spacious, meaning you don't need to do yoga just to grab a towel. There's a shower, toilet, underfloor heating, and a 50-liter water heater that doesn't scare you because it's hidden, stylish and practical. Now we move to the living area. This is where life happens. A sofa bed, perfect for surprise guests or a cat or a dog. TV shelves, a lot of cabinets to stash away everything you don't feel like tidying. Above the couch, cupboards reaching the sky. Plenty of space for your coffee, stash, pasta, and all your just-in-case stuff. Now we are in the kitchen, which is fully equipped. Sink, dishwasher, oven, induction hob, fridge with freezer, and loads of cabinets. Cook or just pretend you're cooking. Opposite the kitchen, a dining area with a view. When you're not sitting in a factory hall, but on your own plot, you get to eat while looking at the forest, lake, or your neighbor mowing the lawn. The cabin has two rooms. You can make it a bedroom and an office, or two bedrooms, or a walk-in closet, a gaming room, or a storage space for all those boxes that might be useful one day. The bigger one is 7.4 square meters, the smaller 6.4 square meters. We'll show you a sample layout, but you make it your own. Evergreen is a modular home, which means you can set it up almost anywhere, as long as there is a land. It's 8.2 meters by 6 meters by 4 meters. It's insulated, has triple-glazed windows, air conditioning and underfloor heating. Cool in the summer, warm in the winter, and your wallet won't cry about it. If you want more chill space, go for long version with the terrace. Evergreen is ready, fully equipped and smells like brand new. Just pick up the keys and move in. Plus, it comes with a 5-year warranty. So if anything happens, we're here. On 41 square meters, there's room for everything you need to live comfortably, without feeling cramped, without stress, but with a good vibe.